What's up, Colby Sharp, 5th grade teacher. Welcome to my channel where we try to help kids fall in love with reading. Thanks for tuning in today. If you're new, please consider subscribing. It'd mean a lot to me. And, yeah, it'd be fun. You can be notified anytime we have a new video talking about awesome books. That's what we're doing today. I got a bunch of books in the mail this past week. We're going to open them up, see if we find anything that we want to add to our classroom library, add to our to-read list. It's going to be fun. Your job is to let me know down in the comments which books that I open you want to read and you want to add to your to-read list. So let's get this party started. See what we have first. All of these books, it looks like this week, were sent to me by publishers. Thank you, publishers. All right. Off to a great start here. With a little help. A little help from the knife. This pack just doesn't want to open. In the middle of a 2-day snowstorm. 2-day snowstorm here. 2-day snow day. Yes. Oh! Have you read it? I just want to Prince Honor. I think it'd be great for kids 5th grade and up. It is one of the best books of 2021. Lisa Phipps, Starfish. I just got off the phone with Lisa a few days ago for the Yarn podcast, and I can't wait for you to hear that episode. But I had a blast talking to her about getting the call from the Prince Committee. So fun. So you should read this book because it's so stinking good. Seriously, one of the best books of the year. Just beautiful. Starfish. Have you read it? Let me know. Did you read this book? Are you a novel and verse fan? So stinking good. That's off to a great start. We already know that one's great. I should reread it. It was fun. When I heard that it won the Prince Honor, I was actually riding in the car home from the dentist with my daughter, and we had it playing through the speakers in our car. I just had like the video up and obviously not watching, but listening. And my daughter was like, I read that on spring break. I remember you brought it and I read it and loved it. My 13-year-old loved it. Yes. So that was super fun. Oh, it's the new Pam Munoz Ryan book. Look how beautiful that is. Goodness gracious. Fun little stamp there. Look at that. Obviously, Pam Munoz Ryan is a legend. Be interesting to read this one because this one's published by Disney Hyperion. So many of her books over the years have been scholastic. So we'll see how this party goes. But I'm very excited. She is just a superstar. Okay, next up, we're off to a good start. Newbery Honor winner, Prince Honor winner, Miss Queencess. Have a good trip. Don't forget your tiara. Oh, it's a graphic novel. Let's do this. My daughter is going to be so happy, as will my students. This comes out April 5th, 2022. Have a good trip. Don't forget your tiara. That's exciting. Queencess. Yeah, I've been hearing some things, a little bit of buzz about this one, so I'm very excited to read it. I really don't know anything. Maybe I could be my first 2022 graphic novel that I read. There's a lot of 2022 graphic novels that I'm excited about. This is from Victoria Stapleton. I know what this is. I know what this is. I'm very excited. We are... Oh my goodness. This comes from 2-time Caldecott medalist, not one. 2-time Caldecott medalist, Sophie Blackall, Farmhouse. Could we be any more excited? Could we? No, we couldn't. End paper's gorgeous. Title page blows me away. Seriously, let's get this mock Caldecott list going for 2023. Thank you, Victoria. I'm so excited. I am interviewing Sophie in May for like an August or September episode of The Yarn. So I'm excited about this book. So that's very exciting to me. Like really excited. I'm so excited. Wow. We could stop this video right here, but we won't. We'll continue to go. We're going to open this big old box here because it's huge. It's huge. See what we got in here. Okay, folks, I'm telling you, special book week. Special. Okay, we're just gonna dump them all out. It's probably the easiest way. These come from Quarto Kids. If you don't know them, that's who sent these. Let's go through kind of quick because there's a, ooh, this one looks kind of cool. How big is your paw? Go paw to paw with life-sized animal cutouts, big and small. Well, that's fun. I love this kind of stuff. So that's how big the front paw is of a possum. I don't like possums. Coyote, look at that. That's so cool. So cool. Excuse me. Okay. Let's go up here. Wolf Girl. That's gorgeous. Whoa. Let's open that up. Oh, look how beautiful it is. Let's go. Physics for Kids. Let's do some science. I really like this biography series. This one for Nelson Mandela. ABC for Democracy. Let's pick a letter. Let's go with C. Colby. Like, that's my name. Let's see what we got for C. What is C? C is for country. A nation run by its own government. That's fun. Recycle and play. Awesome do-it-yourself zero waste projects to make for kids. Well, that's cool. I'm gonna have to bring this into the classroom, see if kids want to make any of this stuff. This looks fun. Oh, look at this little alligator. Alligator letter feed. Do you think that would be fun? I think so. Easter Bunny. Gloria Stefan, Pablo Picasso. A world full of journeys and migrations. That sounds cool. Young Oracle Tarot. An initiation into Tarot's mystic wisdom. I am the perfect reader for this. I already know who's going to show this to tomorrow when I go to school. Oh, look, it's pretty cool. Oh, she's going to be so excited. ABC bedtime. Let's look at C again. C is for calm. Feel that. 1 second, hot water heater making some noise. Sorry about that. Anytime it does that, I always put a shoe on the doorknob to remind me when I go to leave the basement to turn that back on. Otherwise, I'll have cold showers and everyone should be mad at me because that would not be cool. Another recycling book. Rob Greenfield. I know Rob Greenfield. I follow him on Instagram. He owns like nothing. He like doesn't even wear shoes ever. He owns like 30 items. He's got like a YouTube video like the 33 items I own. He's super interesting. And he made a book. Oh, there he is. I feel like he like wore his trash for a month or something. That's what that is. I'm not sure. But yeah, I watched a bunch of his YouTube videos. Well, that's fun. I'm gonna have to check that out. All right, Amanda Gorman. Oh, holy smokes, already one of these for Amanda Gorman. Dang. And finally, ABC Yoga. Okay, we'll do one more little package here. This one's, I love boxes that are like designed for the, book. And this is Stacey Abrams' book, which I believe I opened a copy a couple weeks ago, but this is the one that comes in the fancy mailer. So we'll see what's inside this package. Okay, so you saw all the cover. You've seen it now before I have. So we have, oh, wow, that's cool. We had a bunch of these words. We got a little letter from Stacey Abrams. We have the book. We have a little poster. We have some fun little cutout paper with like a picture behind it. You see the picture a little bit. So that's fun. Only the best for Stacey Abrams. Okay, there we have it, folks. Let me know if there are any of these books on this list that you want to read. I am going to hit stop on recording and read Farmhouse by Sophie Blackall. That is where I'm going first. This is all very exciting. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Colby Sharp. I hope you have an awesome-tastic day.